From class 8 math NCERT CBSE book, we have reached in question number 9 of exercise 13.2. Okay, what is the question? That a car takes 2 hours to reach the destination by traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, how long will it take when the car travel at the speed 80 km per hour? Okay, here what he has told that one car takes 2 hours to reach the destination. He is telling about the destination. That means definitely he is going a particular place like Delhi, like that is Agra, that is Gwalior. Anywhere he is going in one particular place from his home or from a particular place. Okay, from a particular place he is going a particular place because he is telling the destination. Okay, so car takes 2 hours to reach the destination by traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour, and he is what he is telling that his car speed is 60 km per hour. That means in 1 hour the car is moving 60 km. Okay, 60 km per hour means that car is moving in 1 hour is moving 60 km. Okay, so he reached the destination in 2 hours. Okay, how long it will take when the car travel at a speed of 80? Now that if he reach the destination, if he increase his speed, his car speed 80 km per hour, then how much time it will take to reach that place, that particular place? Okay, because the here it is clear that distance are the same, distance not vary because he is telling about the destination. So here the distance are same, only he vary the speed, so the hours or time taken will also vary. Time and speed both are varying and distance are same. Understand? Now we come in the question or we come in the solution. Okay, so what he is asking, how long it will take when the car travel at a speed okay, what is asking, how long will it take? That means how much time will it take, okay, to reach the same place or same particular place or same destination. So we have supposed here, we will suppose here required time taken by the car be x hour. Okay, in the form of table, first we make the table. So in the form of table we have 60 km per hour speed. For 60 km per hour speed, time taken 2 hours. Okay, this has already given, and for 80 km per hour speed, time taken will be x because we have supposed here the value is x hour. Okay, the value is here we will put x. So distance are same. Okay, destination for same destination, he is telling for same destination, so that means distance are same. So for same distance, if kilometer per hour or speed, we will increase the speed, then time taken will be reduced. If this type question we have solved, we have told lot of time that if the distance is same is 60 kilometer, if we speed up, if we increase the speed of the car, then what will happen, that time taken will be reduced. So for that same distance, as the speed of the car increase, time taken to reach the destination would be क्या होगा, it will be decreased, it will be reduced. ठीक है, क्योंकि this the car will reach on less time. ठीक है, for the same distance, if speed will increase, the car will reach in less time. If you are running in 10 km per hour, and if other car is running 60 km per hour, then for the same distance 16 km per hour car will reach in less time. Okay, so it in speed increase and time decrease, that means it is the case of inverse proportion. Okay, therefore 16 to 2 is equal to 18 to x, then x will be 16 to 2 by 80. So 101 2 23 ja 60, 24 ja 80. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, or here 3 by 2. So what will happen, x is equal to 3 by 2 or equal to 1.5. Okay, 1.5 means 1 hour and 1.5 hour, okay, or 1.5 hour. So required time taken by the car be 1.5 hour. Okay, since the answer in the book is given 1.5, so you can write 1 by 2 hour also. Okay, or 1 and 2 hour. ठीक है, here you can write 1. Same thing is 1.5 hour and 1 by 2 hour, 1.5 hour. Okay, 1.5 hour. So both are same. Okay, so required time taken by the car be 1.5 hour. Complete. You have understand? Okay.